Hey, what's good, guys? What's good? Hey, so guys, today is actually a Sunday and I am on my way to the 4 Pillars Lodge. Like, I've been seeing a lot of people posting lead pics about this place, and then like they just the vegetation, the outside, you know, like I just love nature. Yeah, so I'm gonna check out this place today and have maybe lunch and a few drinks. Yeah, not alcoholic, by the way, because yesterday was a good day and I actually had quite a lot to take. So yeah, let's go check this place out. I'm not gonna be doing any activity, and yeah, so I am on Kafue Road right now. Let me just show you how it's looking like today on a Sunday. It's raining. It's raining. So I'm actually in Chilanga now. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, you guys can see it. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Okay. Okay. And now in Chilanga. Woohoo! Hey, it's raining heavily here, guys. And where I'm coming from, there are no rains. Nothing at all. Like nothing. Kulebe. So there's actually Mundawanga on the right. This is Mundawanga Zoo. I think it's a zoo. What is that? It's not a national park. It is a zoo. Yeah. What is written there? Mundawanga Kafue Road, Chilanga. Oh, just Mundawanga, but I know it's a zoo. So these are those motorbikes that we saw, and these guys are soaked. I don't really know where they are going, but they're doing fine. They're doing fine. Like, they're doing fine. Yeah, they are doing fine. So I'm shocked. Is it like there's a sun and then it's also raining? Hey, Kulaka Suba. It's raining. Look at the clouds. And this side, it's not raining. Starting from there, there are no rains. Nothing. I think it's about to start raining this side, but look, it's dry. Value Vegetable Seedling Company. should be approaching the place now. Yeah. Okay guys, so here is where I'm going. I don't know where. Oh, okay. At 4 Pillars. This is it. Hey you guys, so I'm actually safely here. The place looks so amazing. There's even a pool. I'm gonna show you guys. And I already know where I'm gonna sit. I'm gonna sit there because if it starts raining, that thing, I don't know what you call it, has got a canvas, so I'm sure they'll be able to like drop them for me. Yeah. I would have loved to sit this side though, but I can't be seeing people swing. You get. Okay. How about that? Yeah, guys, look at this. This is so good. Like, this is what I needed today. Okay, look, so there's a car park there. That's where there's a reception. I think there's actually accommodation. They said there's accommodation, so there are rooms that side. And then there's, in case you want to do your wedding from here, there's that arrangement. And there's a swimming pool that I showed you. It's actually right there. And there's a giraffe. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Oh, and sadly it's gonna rain, so hoping water won't be entering up there. Then I can just drop these maybe. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm still at the 4 Pillars Lodge. Guys, I must say the service is just incredible. From the time I parked, from the time I turned there, there's someone helping us. There was someone helping me to the gate. And then when they opened the gate for me, they asked me if I've been here before, and I say no. So like the guard gave me directions on how I'm gonna move up to the reception, and then from the reception, someone I was also received by another person that asked me what I was doing here, and in a good way, by the way, and assigned me a waiter, and his name is Trevor. He's been amazing. Yeah, so as I was saying, like, the guy they assigned to attend to me is so quick and so helpful. And I've already ordered my food. I ordered steak and potato wedges, and then like yesterday I had a lot to drink, so I'm just gonna be sipping on these. That's I have guava juice and water and a glass. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Then I'm gonna be watching a movie here while editing videos, because my hair looks so bad. Yeah, so I've been seeing people posting pictures about this place, and recommending it. So I was like, okay, why can't I just go check it out? And you know what I mean. And by the way guys, I got new ink. How does it look? It's like, it says be strong and believe. Yeah, so anyway, let's wait for the food. I can't wait to dig in because I am starving. I am starving. Yeah. He is. So I have steak here. I have potato wedges and I have a salad, and I am watching a movie, and look at my view. So actually a lot of people have started coming. There is a party there. Yeah, so let's dig in. The food, I was so starving. I attacked it left, right, and center. So yeah. Hey yo guys, so I had lunch, I had a few drinks. Now I'm leaving this place. I have work tomorrow, so I have to go to the barber shop, and then I go to the couch. Yeah, so thank you guys for always coming back to my channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate you guys and I love you guys. So I'm gonna see you in my next video.